Welcome back, guys. So today we are going to see here the split method in Java programming. What does this method actually does? Whenever you are having a string with some certain repetition of a pattern, and if you just want to do the separation from that string from that particular pattern, so you can do that easily. Let's have the example of split method here. I have here some certain string containing the fruit's name. Okay, and let's go with public static void main. I have here the string s, which is holding the data as apple, then banana. We can have the grapes, right? Let's do one thing. Let's create an array kind of string, array of string kind of. Okay, let's give the name as fruits. Okay, now you just need to do what? Nothing but just use the split function and just give the comma so that it can separate from comma. Let's use the loop here. We can use the for loop. We can use the string kind of array, of course, for getting the iteration from fruits. To use the fruits, you can just use out simply system dot out dot print and use the fruits. Okay, and so we did a silly thing. Here we need to give a different name, and you can just go with the fruits list, and from that fruits you can just go with singular fruit, and that's what we received. What we did, just iterate from the whole list with one by one with single variable with single element, and just print out that single element throughout the string kind of array. So this is how split method does for us. Split method first of all just split it out the string from this comma. Okay, then it converted, we have created out string kind of array, so that string is being stored out in the string kind of elements, and that string array we have iterated with the help of for loop. Okay, so this is a new variable which refers to the current object, which referred here as the current element of the list, and one by one the list had been printed. I hope this point is clear. Thank you so much.